In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Gossby discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for Gossby discount promo code. Here, go to this website which is called Simply Codes, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a 20% discount right here. Simply select the button where it says View Code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy, and you can use this one so that you can get a 20% discount of your next order. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Coupon Follow. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes that you can use to get some benefits. So let's say that you want to get this one with a 30% discount of your order. You can simply select the button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here. You can tap on this button to copy the promo code. And you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 30% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.